the US reduced demand for Iran's sanction. Mali's president announces resignation after reported arrested in a suspected coup. Prime Minister Imran Khan says his biggest achievement in the last 2 years of government is setting Pakistan direction toward becoming a welfare state. UN Secretary General demands immediate release of Mali's president. US Democratic Party nominates Joe Biden for president candidate. RAW and NDS are contacted to ban Taliban organizations to target Pakistani security agencies. Iran denies US allegations of assisting the Taliban in Afghanistan. People killed and 10 injured in firing incident in Haripur, Pakistan. In Iran, 10 Daesh militants have been killed in an operation by the government forces. Saudi Arabia nearly to declare win against coronavirus. Iran coronavirus death toll tops 20,000.